I thought that it's really quicker just to record a video just instead of writing the text. So just to briefly explain what I did so far, I added two fields here. One of them is user email, the one who is going to submit the form, and also the user ID for that user. And if you edit them, you also see how I actually created them. It is a hidden field. The name is user email, and also manual input and the rest of the story. Same for user ID. I will use these hidden fields later in the form for sending the actually emails. Then I added three actions here. The first one is inserting the post, insert or updating the post. It's simply just update the post here. You see it is the post type that you've created. Post the status to draft, and also I map the fields to the proper actually term or the custom fields that we have. Also the uh, uh, user email, we don't use it at all for mapping. Only we use the user ID for the post author. So each post which is created, it is created by the user who submitted that. And the next one is the email. This one is the email that we are sending for the user. Just we say that, okay, your post is under review. This is the post title, for example. And you can change it, the title from what person is sending and the other steps. And also the second one is for the admin. So I just added a dummy email here. Just you need to add the administrator email here. So it sends all the email to that emails, and this is also the content. Title, I don't know, the other text, and user email who submitted that. And also I added a link to the edit screen of that post. So you can, when you click on this review the post, this is the link. It actually opens that tab, opens that in a new tab, and you can review that post, publish it, or whatever. I send the target also to blank, so it opens in a new tab instead of the same tab. And these are the changes that I did inside the form. So this handles sending the email for user and the administrator for the draft status. For sending the email when the post is published, I installed a plugin called Code Snippets. You can actually see in the plugins folder, and then I added a snippet here, PHP snippet, and just these codes are important. The rest of the codes are the test codes that I'm doing, and I will remove them after the finalizing the stuffs. This first block of code is sending email to the one who publishes, the one who actually submitted the post, the user who submitted the post. We send an email to that person. So this was a dummy email I was using for test. So whenever a post is changed from draft to publish, we send a message to the user and we say that, okay, your post is successfully published, and your post, let's say your post with this title is published. This is the text that you can easily customize it, no special stuff here. And this was the part for sending the email for published posts. And lastly, this is the form just to see if it is working fine or not. Let's test it. Test 1, test 2, test 3, and I set this to this. And if we post this, we should have the post here as a draft, and You see the author is also me, which is my account, and you can just go and click on the publish button if everything is fine. I think that's all for all the changes that I did. Please review all these stuffs and be actually keep in touch with me so we can finalize this project. Thanks.